And we're going to talk about these cutting boards that are right here. We're going to put these pork chops aside, and we're going to talk a little bit about what's going on right here. Now, this is a 3-pack of cutting boards. They look like these guys right here. You get a small, medium, and large in the actual set, and they're very straightforward. I mean, they're cutting boards. That's what they're there for. And you can use them for all kinds of things. Anytime you need to protect the surface underneath, you want to use a cutting board. And the important thing is, are they good? Are they worth buying? Do they work? And the issue, and the big thing about the cutting board is how well does it stick to the table. Now, it's got little rubber feet. That's why it has this extra rubber on the outside, not just the plastic in the middle. This way it gives it a little bit of traction. You can always put a dish rag, fold it in half, put that underneath, or the dish towel. That'll hold it in place a lot better than just having it on the counter all the time. But outside of that, if you want to make sure that you've got a good clean surface, the plastic is going to do well. Now remember, this is good because it doesn't actually, damage or cut through. It will, as you can tell, this isn't brand new. This is stained. And you know what? We scrub it down, we wash it properly, and it's still going to be like this. It's going to happen over time. Eventually, I'll just get tired of it, buy a new one, and they'll be gone. It's safer on the knives because basically we're not on a hard rock surface or anything like that, of course. And we don't want to damage our counters. We don't want to do any of that. We want to use that here. And you can buy them in different colors. So if you want to have one for your chicken, your fish, whatever not, you can do that. And it's simple enough. Again, does it work? Absolutely. You just take out whatever you need it for, set yourself up, you'll be all fine. It'll just work for you just like that. And it's also a good way if you need to have that extra surface for doing things like, in this case, I'm going to be pounding this down for schnitzel. You want to have that underneath there because you don't want to be pounding directly onto your countertop, of course, or into a plate. You need to have a good strong surface to do that, and that's exactly what's going to happen here.